So looks like I just received the V33 update on my Oculus Quest 2. So as you can see, once again Meta has changed the UX, actually the user interface for their operating system, for their XR glasses, headset, whatever you call it, and now it looks like, actually I'm not sure I like it, although I definitely understand the rationale behind the change. Anyways, the rounded corner glitch is back, as you can see. Usually they used to have this glitch on their Wi-Fi. Oh man, this looks now terrible because the screen size is it's a model window basically. So now when they stick it to the dock, which is the new user interface, I don't like the UI changes. Oh man, and explore window even worse, man. The dock remains the same size and this one is so huge. Now I guess that they are doing this only on the tablet mode because they are just introduced the direct touch interface. So let me finish this tutorial so you will understand what's this all about, although I covered it in my previous video. So they're basically bringing some iPad, iPhone like capabilities of multi-touch to the AR VR environments. So basically now you can interact with holograms just like you are used to with your smartphone and touch devices. Anyways, multi-window, let's go. Okay, thank God, because they only introduced this weird user interface when they are showing you when you are in the direct touch interface. So everything remains the same as it used to be on the multi-window view. So I see that they've changed the app library. Oh man, this is a huge shift because they used to have this close and minimize panel beneath each window. It kinda made sense, although it is weird user interface choice right from the beginning when they designed the MetaQuest OS or the Oculus OS, because it was weird if you're coming from Windows or Mac OS, because you are, everybody knows this panel with the close and minimize buttons, either if you are on the Mac and it's on the left, either if you are on the Windows and it's on the right. So basically, when they chose to make this one beneath the window, it was quite convenient because your dock is already here. So in VR and AR, you don't want to force the user to have some radical hand movements. So now I'm forced to go all the way up just to close this window. And when it was here, it was in this hotspot of because I'm already interacting with the dock for to do some basic stuff. For example, launch my browser, and then maybe if I want to go and place the App Store here. So if I wanted to go, let's say, to my contacts, I'm doing everything from this dock, which makes sense, right? So now go all the way up in order to replace the people application, the contact application with the browser is too much effort, because when it was here, it was still horizontally on this in the exact same reachability space, shall we say. But now they're forcing me to raise my hands and to actually grab this header. If you go ahead, once again, you go out of multi-window to the direct touch interface. This makes perfect sense because everything is, in the same size. So now I can actually understand the rationale, because this mode works perfectly well. So I can, use my brightness, I can raise the volume, I've got direct touch, just like I've got on my iPad. So that's perfect, and I can even move it everywhere I want, and they are united, shall we say. So it works perfectly, although I don't like these pointy corners here. I don't like it, especially when we are talking about something that I'm almost touching with my hands. and almost kind of feeling the phantom haptic feedback. It kind of, it kind of feels like if I'm gonna touch this one, I'm gonna feel the pain. But anyways, that's just analogy. Anyways, let's go back to settings. And the setting window is also aligned quite well to the dock. I think that the only problem they have is the pop-up windows. So let's see what happens if I go to the file browser and then let's say I'm gonna force the user interface to pop up something. Again, as you can see, the rounded corners is over the rounded corners, so that's kind of, it's not perfect. And this is, by the way, once again, why they've raised the action bar from the bottom to the top, because if they aligned and stick the dock with the open window, they couldn't have the window manager above this thing, because it would not make sense in terms of user interface design. So this is a good choice, and newcomers will obviously see the window manager in a natural way, because that's what they all know from Windows, Mac OS, Linux, you name it. Anyways, that's all from me. All right, have a good day.